morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Today I am going to explain you about how to calculate national income by using income method. Income method of calculating national income. As you all know, dear students, when we produce anything, we need factors of production. Factors of production are land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. You all know this thing. We need land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. The payment that they receive in turn are rent, wages, interest and profit. Land gets rent, labor gets wages, capital gets interest and entrepreneur gets profit. These are known as vector income. By using these vector income, we are going to learn about income method. So, the formula for income method is COE, that is compensation of employees, plus operating surplus. Operating surplus is known as income from property and entrepreneurship, plus mixed income. Let me first of all explain you COE. COE, compensation of employees. What the employee will get in reward for his vector services. It is divided into number 1, wages and salaries in cash, plus wages and salaries in kind, plus employers contribution to SSS. SSS is Social Security Scheme. Remember one thing, you have to take employer's contribution, you don't have to take employee's contribution, plus retirement pension, plus last bonus. Again, one thing you have to remember, you have to take retirement pension. You don't have to take old age pension. There are two kinds of pension. One, the retirement pension, another is the old age pension. Old age pension is your transfer payment. We have to ignore old age pension. We have to add retirement pension only. Now, look at the question very carefully. When you see the question, if complete COE is given to you in the question, listen to me very carefully. If complete COE is given in the question, you have to take complete COE. You have to ignore the parts. But if COE is not given, if compensation of employees is not given, then you have to take the parts. If only parts are given, you have to add all these parts, you have to calculate COE and then you have to use it in the formula. So first is COE, compensation of employees. It includes wages and salaries in cash, it includes wages and salaries in kind, it includes employer's contribution to SSS, only employer's contribution, that is Malik ka contribution, not employee's contribution, plus retirement pension plus bonus. By adding all this, we get COE. Next come on operating surplus. As I told you, operating surplus is also known as income from property and entrepreneurship. Now what all operating surplus includes? Operating surplus includes rent plus interest plus profit. Again, one more thing, if complete operating surplus is given. Now look at the question very carefully. When you get the question, look at question very carefully. If complete operating surplus is given and one of the part is also given, let us suppose operating surplus is given to you and interest is also given to you in the question. So you have to ignore interest. You have to take only operating surplus. But if operating surplus is not given, you have been given the parts like rent is given, interest is given and profit is given. You have to add all these three parts and you have to calculate operating surplus. Now profit, come on the profit. Profit is again divided into three parts. Look here very carefully. Profit is again divided into three parts, that is distributed profit, that is undistributed profit, that is corporate profit tax. Distributed profit is known as dividend. Undistributed profit is known as retained earnings. And the third one is corporate profit tax. You have to add all these three, that is dividend plus retained earnings plus corporate profit tax, which gives you profit. Then you have to add rent plus interest plus profit, it makes your operating surplus. Now we add operating surplus here. Mixed income. Mixed income is given to you as it is. Mixed income, there is no sub parts of mixed income, it will be given to you as it is. By adding all these three, we get NDP at FC. By adding COE plus operating surplus plus mixed income, we get NDP at FC, which is known as domestic income. Now you have to look your question very carefully at which aggregate you have to go. Either you have to find out NDP at FC or you have to find out NNP at FC. Which aggregate you have to find out? Let us suppose you have to find out NNP at FC, which is known as national income. National income. So NDP at FC plus NIFA is equals to NNP at FC, that is your national income. You have to check your question very carefully. You have to reach at which aggregate. Let us suppose GDP at MP. You have to calculate GDP at MP by income method. Let us suppose you have to calculate GDP at MP by income method. Now what we get over here? We get NDP at FC. From NDP at FC we have to reach at GDP at MP. How can we reach at GDP at MP from NDP at FC? N. We have to convert this N. For converting this N into G, we add depreciation. For converting this N into G, we have to add depreciation. Depreciation, dear students, depreciation is used to convert gross into net. Gross minus depreciation is equals to net, and net plus depreciation is equals to gross. From net we have to reach at gross, so we have to add depreciation. Domestic, domestic. This is FC, this is MP. This is FC, look here very carefully, and this is MP. From FC to MP, when we have to reach from FC to MP, we have to, listen to me very carefully, for MP and FC, we use NIT. We use NIT. MP minus NIT is equals to FC, and FC plus NIT is equals to MP. So we have to add NIT. NIT is equals to IT minus subsidies. I hope you people are getting what I am teaching you. See, look here, COE, wages and salaries in cash, wages and salaries in kind, employer's contribution to SSS, retirement pension, bonus, operating surplus, rent, interest, profit. Profit have three parts: distributed profit, undistributed profit, and corporate profit tax. Then COE plus operating surplus plus mixed income gives us NDP at FC. NDP at FC plus NIFA gives us NNP at FC. Gives us NNP at FC, that is your national income. I hope this income method is clear to all of you.